Teach him if you're gonna hit him.
I'm teaching him how to block.
You're pretty good though. Keep trying.
Yeah, he already knows how to punch. Just showing him how to block to make sure he can swing with blocking too. Alright, no, yeah. So keep it. Every time you swing with one hand, make sure your face is blocking the other side of your face. Your hand is blocking the other side of your face. Yeah. Now switch side, now switch side. Like, because you know, you stand like this. Now switch side. So it's harder for you. Because you don't know how to fight anyway, so you're going to both. So it's easier.
No?
Yeah. Like that. Jab, jab. You can switch, you put one hand up and swing above it.